So for using Clever Nelly for average handling time and complaints, we've continued to see those improvements in average handling time. I think for those two things. So one, increase in handler competence and confidence, I should say. Less time for referrals, less time for needing to go on POCs. Within probably the first 2 or 3 weeks when we first launched Nelly, we had a user come back to us and say, "Oh, it's great. I've just had a question on Nelly and I got the answer and it told me that I was right. And then I had a phone call like 30 minutes later and I knew it. Nelly just told me that was the right answer, and it was the same scenario that had come up, and I knew exactly how to answer that customer question." So I think we've seen continued improvements in average handling time and continuous decrease in wrap time, which is where our agents will do their follow-up and the rest of their work. And we also have specific complaints question sets. Last year, at the back end of last year, we did some root cause training and we supported that with a question set as well in Nelly. And then recently, in the last month or so, we've changed the process in our operational unit, which following like from a CI review, just to make it a bit smoother for our customers. And again, we supported that with Nelly questions. Once the change had been implemented and a comms was issued, we then supported it with 5 or so Nelly questions just to make sure that change was embedded and people didn't revert back to old habits.